Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee. My name is Sam Kanenwisher, and there's a lot of times when we get really stressed in life, and we need strategies or tools in our toolkit to help us with this stress, and healthy strategies as opposed to doing things that are bad for our bodies and our mental health, um, and also things that we can do almost anywhere, where we don't need to get away on a vacation in order to let go of some stress. And one of those tools is called U-turn breathing. And the way you do U-turn breathing is you breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, back into your mouth, and out through your nose. So we're going to practice this for about 5 minutes, and you'll see how you feel afterwards. So with that, get in a comfortable place, some place where you can be still, away from not have too many distractions around. Put your hands in your lap in a comfortable position, or somewhere where your hands can be comfortable. They're not needing to fidget so much. And let's begin. And I invite you to close your eyes too. So inhale through the nose and out through the mouth. And in through the mouth and out through the nose. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the mouth, out through the nose. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the mouth, out through the nose. And I'll just let you continue, and I'll check back in with you in a little bit. What? And if your mind gets distracted and starts focusing on something else, I invite you to gently come back. No shame or guilt needed. Just gently come back. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the mouth, out through the nose. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the mouth, and continue. All right, and closing out, I invite you to regulate your breath and just gently breathe through your nose, getting back to normal. And if your nose is too stuffy, well, you probably weren't able to do this exercise. Okay. All right, I hope you feel a little bit more spacious today, and may you be well.